Big H,
Little I.
Hi! Winky Winky. Okay, here's an ordinary Amazon shipping box, and we're cutting it. And we already cut this beforehand, so we're just skipping that part. And take the top of the box and push it in.
And
then get a pencil and trace along the line where it is, and then cut across that line. Don't worry about making it perfect. Nothing's perfect ever. And after that, you push in the piece that you just cut, and after measuring it, you have to take scissors and score it.
Score it, not cut it. And then bend. And then wait!
To support the top floor better, add extra boards inside.
Inside.
No, you put too much energy. And then repeat with the other side.
Repeat with the other side. Cut. Trace.
Don't repeat me.
Cut. Then
I already told them repeat, so you
don't
have to do it. I already told them repeat, so you don't have to do it.
Fold it and score it again.
They already know that stuff. You don't have to tell them that all over again.
Now bend it again. And
don't say again. Just give it some time to finish. Okay. Now we're coloring the interior. Now we're coloring a sofa for the living room.
Download furniture template at
bighlittlei.com. Okay, now we're coloring the thing.
And you can get a lot of these at bighlittlei.com.
Okay, now we've placed it inside our house. If you have noticed, we have been putting up very beautiful, wonderful drawings inside. And if everybody has noticed, you guys have probably noticed by now that it doesn't have a roof or stairs, which we will make soon. Now we have two extra pieces which we will cut and to make roofs. And then there you have a normal house, and just don't copy it. And then we have some stairs and cardboard, which we have scored. And either use super glue or use normal glue and hold it on really tight. As you can see, we're holding it on for quite a long time.
And you have to use super glue. My mom was just too lazy to use super glue, so she just did original glue. Please don't do original glue.
Well, if you want to, you can, but it won't. You have to hold it on for a long time, and it'll fall off. And then you can add crepe paper or whatever colors you like to your house to make it glamorous. Add any touch-ups or decorations, and ta-da! We're done.